Okay, now this is our another hot seating model, our DSG250. This model also sells quite well in our Southeast markets and other some countries. And if you have a little known about our factory, you may know this model is really sells quite well. Really hot seating model, and there are three model of our this DSG250. The first one is the basic one. That means this machine is without the direct on one side of the machine and without the quick turn switch. And the second model of this machine has direct but without the quick turn switch. The third model of our DSG250 is with direct and also with the quick turn switch.